Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prioritizing scrap and metal. Grab barrels, underwater crates, and island chests until you have 100 plus scrap and plenty of nails. Once done, craft a research table and basic metal tools so you can analyze blueprints. This unlocks the titanium path. Make sure to maintain 3 campfires for smelting later and keep an anchor ready for island dives. These first actionable steps get you the necessary materials and tech to move into advanced processing without wasting time on redundant chores. Now you focus on converting raw materials. Use the smelter to turn scrap into metal ingots and prioritize red/blue crystals or advanced ore nodes found on later islands. Once you have ingots and advanced materials, research the titanium blueprint at your research table. Make sure to upgrade furnaces and keep fuel stocks above half so smelting never stalls. You refine and combine metals purposefully because titanium components require both refined metal and crystal-derived parts to be assembled in the final forge steps. To finish, craft titanium ingots and bring required handle and blade components to your workbench. Follow the blueprint exactly and assemble the sword parts. You then use the hammer and anvil steps to finalize tempering and sharpening, testing durability after crafting. If things go wrong, first check your inventory for missing materials, confirm the titanium blueprint is researched, and make sure your furnace smelted ingots fully. Low temperature or interrupted smelts are the most common failures. Once done, equip and swing to confirm functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.